Even though it is nice to just sit here and look at that view, I mean, man. So I try and sit here every day for lunch. It's awesome. Yes, B on my midterm, haha. So, yeah, I got a B on my midterm, which was better than I expected. I'm really happy, because that's going to boost my grade up even more. I'm guessing I have at least a B in communication class, so that's a good thing. And this is the bathroom. I haven't vlogged in here in a while, so I figured. It's always so dangerous, though, because someone could just walk in. So many weird noises. I gotta get out of here. Okay, made it back home, and Misty is like, she's acting like it's never gonna come home. Crazy dog. Anyways, so yeah, I got home from school. I'm starving, but I might just go out and run instead. Burn off some of my energy, even though I don't have any energy, which probably getting some sleep would help. Huh? But, oh well. Anyways, since a couple people have been asking me what things I use to film and what I use to edit, I have very, very basic stuff. I have my phone. My phone, that's what I'm using. It does its job. It's pretty good quality. I think 1080p video for the iPhone 4S, which is what I have. So yeah, great video quality, as you guys could probably tell. And then I just use the iMovie app. I bought that for my first vlog, and I figured this is such a waste of money. I'm never going to use it. I've used it 70 days straight. So obviously I'm getting my money's worth out of it. So yeah, iMovie, that's what I use. The software is such crap though, and I don't have a real camera or real editing software, so I can't really, do any special effects or add any cool music that I want. Because if you want to add music on iMovie, they only let you do one song for the entire video, which is why I don't use it. Maybe 1 or 2 videos I might use it eventually, but even then, I don't know if I can get in trouble or not for using a song I don't own. Just a song I found on the radio that I use. I don't know if I could get the video banned from YouTube or something. I don't know. Do you guys know? Because I don't really know. So anyways, what should I do? Should I run or should I get some food? Be a fatty or be an athlete? I can tell you what she is, though. You bum. Hey. You bum. So anyways, that's my day so far. And boom. The day's done. Weird, huh? I didn't vlog at all after that. So, my fault. And it is super, super late. I finished my essay within less than an hour. So it's pretty good. I had to do it on Peter Pan, so I made Chelsea watch it with me, and she got annoyed because I kept pausing it while I was taking notes. Which is stupid. I had to take notes on Peter Pan the movie, but oh well. But I wrote my essay, so hopefully I'll get a good grade on it. Anyways, I gotta get to bed. I'm super tired. Luckily, I get to sleep in. It's Wednesday, my late day. So that's a good thing. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and good night.